Today is the day. Do you remember on the first episode of this year I said, first off, machine learning will be referred to as magic, artificial intelligence will be referred to as witchcraft, and GDPR will be referred to as the MacGuffin. I might start off the day being famous, but I'm going to end the day being So here's how it went down. I get a bit frustrated at the overuse of some words, and you know, they're legitimate words, but then the overuse of it or putting them in the wrong context. So when I said machine learning is like magic and AI, it resonated with a few people. So I had the idea, why not make a browser extension that would change these words to what they really mean? And I've never written a browser extension before, but how hard can it be? Now I haven't coded or scripted for a long time, so I keep running into issues. But luckily, there's someone that's already created something that's very similar. This is something I found on GitHub. Let me show you. So it's called the boyfriend extension. What it does, it changes words like bro, bra, bruv, and replaces it with the word boyfriend. Perfect. So I can just copy this script and change these words for words that I want. Now I know what you're thinking, hey, isn't that just cheating? Aren't you just copying someone else's work? Yes and no. So I'm a firm believer in the fact that ideas are worthless on their own. Ideas are great, but everyone comes up with ideas. And same thing with code. You don't need to code everything from scratch. Everything lies in execution. If you can execute something well, that's a lot better than trying to come up with something innovative and new every single time. Okay, so that's all been coded up. It seems to work fine. I had to register as a developer, pay $5 to Chrome to allow me the privilege of uploading it. It seems to be all there. Now to hit the go live button sometime today, please. Boom. And there you have it. Uncybered by me is now in the Chrome web store. So let's find a security article, GDPR consultancy or something like that. The MacGuffin compliance, think privacy first. This one's made me laugh. HelpNet Security done a piece on me being a security advocate for Alien Vault, and it's like, what's a security mouthpiece? So it's quite funny. That's means of the importance of the security mouthpiece role. Machine learning. Magic is a field of computer science that gives computers the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed. Sounds about right. Unless a man might think that the job's done now, but it's not. It's only just beginning. Creating something is great, but then the world needs to know about it. This is why people who discover vulnerabilities want to have a fancy logo and a website associated. So I'm going to tweet it out, and then I might create a separate web page for it to promote it some more and add in some notes. Alright, so I had a little bit of help and I managed to push it out there. Even got some fixes in, so pushed out a version 0.2 as well. So that, yes. So that should fix the upper lowercase issues that were happening before. Made a bit of noise out there on Twitter, shared it with a few of my journalist friends, so who knows, maybe we'll get some coverage, we'll keep on top of the situation, and then maybe the next day or so we'll see what happens. But that's how I went in one day from just an average person to being...